Hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to the Teachers Get Set Up series. Today, I'm going to teach you all about the new supply list feature available on ClassTag. The class supply list is up here at the top of the page. Whatever grade you used when you signed up for ClassTag is the default list that you're going to see. As you can see right here, when you visit for the first time, this toggle will say working on it. Be sure to click ready after you've reviewed the list and you're ready for parents to see it. It won't send out a notification to parents, but they'll be able to view it if they click on it. Here are all of the items that populate the list. All of these things are things I actually need, so I'm going to make sure that I say that it's ready for everybody. They are so accurate, it's actually amazing. Each item can also have a custom note attached to it, so if you want parents to have blunt tip scissors rather than sharp ones, just add it as a note on the scissors so that they see it before when they check out. So when I click on it, I can add a note and save it. You can also mark supplies as required or optional so that parents know exactly what they can and should be buying at certain times. When parents purchase from your supply lists, rewards go back to teachers so that we can all earn more free supplies. So, to recap, the new supply list feature saves you the teacher time and saves parents time on school supply shopping. ClassTag makes it quick and easy, and with just one click, parents can fill an entire shopping cart. It saves parents money if they compare prices on items as well. It's flexible, and a list can be printed by parents to take to the store if a trip is needed. You can also reset the list if you'd like to change it. You can add custom supplies as well. But be sure that you visit the top of the supply list page and press ready so that all the parents in your class can view it. And after you're done, you can test out announcements and let parents know that you've shared supply lists. Happy class tagging! Visit help.classtag.com for more help. Thanks.